What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a cocktail foam. Now, when you're making a cocktail foam, I want you to think about the foam as a separate ingredient for the cocktail, something that complements the rest of the beverage that you're making. Now, for every foam, there's about 3 basic things that you're going to need. You're going to need a protein, you're going to need an acid to break down the bonds of the protein, and a sugar to stabilize it. Now, for my protein, I like to use egg whites. I have 4 egg whites here in this mixing glass that I'm going to be using for this particular foam. I have freshly squeezed lemon juice that I'm going to be using for the acids. And then I also have maple syrup because we're going to be making a maple foam. That's the sugar and the flavoring agent that we're going to be making. All these things mixed together along with some N2O gas is going to create an emulsion, which is basically what's going to make the foam. Now, an emulsion is really a fancy, sciencey way of saying getting liquids to mix together that aren't supposed to mix together. Now, all we do is take our cream whipper and we throw everything in the cream whipper. Starting with our 4 egg whites. We are going to use 2 ounces freshly squeezed lemon juice, 6 ounces of our maple syrup, and then last but not least, we're going to use 4 ounces of water so that we have a good flavor, but it's not too overpowering. We're going to give this a double charge with the N2O gas, which you'll be familiar with if you've seen our infusion video. If not, stay till the end and we'll put a link up there so that you can check out our how to infuse spirits video. And we'll be right back in about 2 to 3 minutes so you can see the rest of the process. Okay, so we gave our foam 2 good double charges. After you charge it once, give it a good shake, wait for a minute, charge it again, give it another shake as we mentioned before, and then you're pretty much good to go with your foam. Now, right after that, you should really let it sit in the refrigerator. The longer it sets in the refrigerator in a nice cool space, the more stable the foam becomes. But again, if you're in a quick pinch, a nice double charge should get you going. Now, when you're making a cocktail with a foam, there's 2 ways to do it. You could either put it in the glass first and then layer the cocktail on top of it, or you can put the cocktail in the glass and then you try to float the foam on top of it. For right now, just give it a little squeeze. You can see this is what the foam looks like after you've given it a double charge, only 2 minutes. Came out pretty good, has a nice mapley flavor to it. Now, if you want to see us make a cocktail with this, stay to the end of the video and check out our fat washing video where we'll be making a cocktail using this maple foam. If you're looking for products that can help you upgrade your bar skill, help you with your skills behind the bar, whether at home or professionally, go ahead and head over to barprints.co. You can also click the link in the description for our free ebook, the Barprints cheat sheet, that will give you the breakdown on a bunch of fundamentals that will help you out behind the bar and help you improve your skills. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if there's anything you'd like us to cover in the, on the channel, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below. We'll try to get to it in the days and weeks ahead. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us. Hope everything was helpful to you guys. Cheers.